Well, the countdown is down to 30 days. The U.S. Supreme Court issued their judgment today on the Dobbs decision, the last domino that needed to fall for Idaho's abortion ban trigger law to, well, get triggered. That would be the law they passed back in 2020, the one that will outlaw abortion altogether in Idaho, the one that said it would go into effect 30 days should Roe v. Wade be overturned. Well, the Dobbs decision did that. And so 30 days from today, August 25th, abortion will be illegal in Idaho, except for cases of rape, incest, and if the life of the mother is in jeopardy. And in those cases, well, there's going to be a need for a police report, and a doctor needs to be pretty darn sure the mother's life is at a serious risk. However, there are some court challenges to Idaho's abortion bans. 3 of them, to be exact, because Idaho has passed 3 abortion laws over the last 3 legislative sessions. There's the 2020 trigger law. There's the 2021 law that would make abortions illegal after the 6th week of pregnancy. And there's the law passed this past session, the Texas-style ban that included that 6-week line in the sand and opened the possibility of enforcing the law through lawsuits from family members. They could sue the provider, the hospital, or anyone who helped the woman get an abortion for about $20,000 apiece. Well, subsequently, Planned Parenthood filed 3 lawsuits to stop those laws, the latest just yesterday with the Idaho Supreme Court to try to stop the 2021 law. That's the 6-week ban bill. 6 weeks, by the way, is usually when a fetal heartbeat can be detected for the first time, and many women don't even know they're pregnant until about 6 weeks. Well, Planned Parenthood said in their lawsuit the 6-week ban violates Idaho law for the same reasons, well, the total abortion ban does, by violating the state's constitution's guarantee of the fundamental right to privacy in making such intimate decisions, and by also violating the Equal Protection Clause, the Idaho Human Rights Act, which protects against sexual discrimination because the ban would treat women and men differently based on stereotypes. Oh, and it runs contrary to Idaho's Due Process Clause, they say, guaranteed by Idaho's Constitution. But this law is too vague, they say. It's the same argument Planned Parenthood has made on their other 2 lawsuits, one against Idaho's total abortion ban and the other one against that Texas-style ban. Planned Parenthood is asking this newest lawsuit to be joined by the other 2 when they are expected to be heard by the state Supreme Court next week. The reason for the rush? Well, because of the judgment issued today, triggering the 30-day countdown to enforcement. So far, there hasn't been any stays issued on either of these 3 lawsuits based on these laws, I should say, based on these lawsuits. But we should have some sort of a clearer picture of the status of abortion in Idaho by next week.